Hello guys, and welcome to Chanda Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple sauce cinnamon cake. Here I have just one bag of yellow cake mix. This is a very easy semi-homemade cake. And I'm just going to add in 1 3/4 cups of unsweetened applesauce. And we have 3 eggs here. We're going to get this added to our mixture. And I know what you guys are thinking. She's adding these eggs directly into her bowl. It's completely fine. Just, be careful that you don't get any of your eggshells into your mixture. If you do, just remove them. It's pretty simple. And we're going to get our 1 tablespoon of apple pie spice added to our bowl. And now, guys, we're just going to get this mixed up very well. You just want to get your dry ingredients incorporated into your wet ingredients very well. And eventually you'll see me scraping down the sides of the bowl just so we can make sure all that's incorporated very well. I have a recipe for my apple pie spice. I will leave that in the description box. Here's my bundt pan, guys, that I have oiled and floured so my cake does not stick. And I'm just going to get my cake mixture added into my bundt pan so we can get this good thing in the oven and get it baking. Be sure to get all and every bit out of that bowl, guys. And we're going to give this a spin, guys, to get all the air bubbles out. I preheated my oven to 350 and we're going to get this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Now we're going to get our cake into our oven. Our cake has finished, guys. We're going to make our chocolate drizzle for the top of our cake. Here I'm adding 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. And we're just going to get that heated up to a low simmer. Here I'm just adding in my 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then we're just going to kind of get this mixed up in here and get it incorporated into the heavy cream. Right here we're going to get our heat turned off because we're going to get our cup of white chocolate chips added into our cream and get that mixed up very well. We're just going to continue to stir this until every chocolate chip has dissolved and melted down into that cream very well. Just continue to stir. May take a little longer depending on how hot your cream is, but don't stop until it's melted. Now here we're just going to get our white chocolate drizzle added to the top of our cake. Add as much as you like. If there is some left over, you can add that to your cake slices at the end. Enough on the top of our cake, just so every slice has a little bit of that chocolate drizzle on it. This is our finished cake, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it.